After incoming inspection, all parts are kitted and stored here on these shelves. And as you can see, every shelf and every bag on that shelf has its own barcodes for traceability purposes. Now we use this equipment right here to vacuum seal components in moisture-resistant bags. And if the components or boards are especially sensitive, we put them in a dry cabinet at a humidity level of 1%. We also use these ovens to bake the PCBs. This screen shows all the tasks that are currently being performed here in real time so that everything is easily traceable.